I'm so happy you're here with me today for a fun new adventure. Are you ready to learn some new things? Great. Let's get started. Today, we're going to meet a very special friend. Her name is Pip, and she's a little chick who loves exploring. Let's say hello to Pip. Hi, Pip. Pip is looking up at the sky. What does she see? The sky is full of big, soft clouds. It looks a bit dark, doesn't it? When the sky looks like this, we use a special word to describe its color. The sky is gray. Can you say that with me? Gray, G-R-E-Y, gray. The sky is gray. The sky is gray. The color of a dark cloud, just before it might rain. What color is the sky? That's right, it's gray. Oh, what's that? Did you feel something? Pip felt something too. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Something is falling from the gray sky. What could it be? It's water. It's rain. Rain is water that falls from the clouds in the sky. Can you say rain? Hurry on, rain. The rain is falling all around. Pip, pitter-patter, pitter-patter. It's starting to rain harder now. Pip doesn't want to get all wet. What can she use to stay dry? She has something special with her. It's bright and colorful. Look, Pip is opening her umbrella. What a beautiful umbrella. It's a bright red color. An umbrella is a tool we use to keep the rain off of us so we can stay nice and dry. Can you say umbrella? U-M-B. Eralella umbrella. Pip holds her red umbrella high above her head. I am dry. She chirps happily. What color is Pip's umbrella? Yes, it is red. A lovely, bright red. Now that Pip has her umbrella, she's not afraid of the rain at all. In fact, she thinks the rain is fun. Look where she's going. The rain has made a small pool of water on the ground. We have a special name for that. It's called a puddle. A puddle is a small pool of water that you see on the ground after it rains. Can you say puddle? Puddle Pip loves puddles. She runs towards a big puddle. And what do you think she does next? She jumps right in. Splash. Water goes everywhere. Jumping in puddles is so much fun, especially when you have your rain boots on. Pip is splashing and laughing in the big puddle. Splash, splash, splash. But wait, what's happening now? The rain is stopping. The drip drops are getting slower and slower. And look, I see something peeking out from behind the gray clouds. It's bright and yellow. It's the sun. The sun is coming out. The gray clouds are starting to float away, and the sky is becoming bright and blue again. And when the sun comes out after it has been raining, something magical can happen. Look up at the sky with Pip. Wow, do you see it? It's a beautiful rainbow. A rainbow has so many amazing colors. I see red and orange and yellow and green and blue and purple. It's like a big, colorful smile in the sky. A rainbow is a beautiful arc of colors that appears in the sky when the sun shines through raindrops. What appears when the sun comes out? A rainbow. It's so beautiful. Pip looks at the amazing rainbow and chirps with joy. Spring weather is full of surprises, isn't it? 1 minute it's gray and rainy, Jeanette. Next minute the sun is shining and there's a beautiful rainbow in the sky. What a wonderful adventure we had with Pip today. We learned so many new words. Let's see if we can remember them. First, we saw that the sky was a dark color. What word did we use? Gray. That's right, the sky was gray. Water started falling from the sky. What was that called? Rain. Exactly. It started to rain. To stay dry, Pip used a special tool. It was red. What was it? An umbrella. She opened her red umbrella. The rain made small pools of water on the ground. What were those called? Puddles. And Pip had so much fun splashing in a big puddle. Finally, after the rain stopped and the sun came out, a beautiful, colorful arc appeared in the sky. What was that? A rainbow! We saw a magnificent rainbow. You did an amazing job learning all of our weather words today. Let's do a quick quiz to see how much you remember. Are you ready? First question. What color is the sky at the beginning of our story? Is it blue, gray, or yellow? Yes, it is gray. Fantastic! Next question. What color is Pip's umbrella? Is it blue, yellow, or red? It is red. You got it. It's a bright red umbrella. Oh, and our last question. What appears in the sky when the sun comes out after the rain? Is it a star, a moon, or a rainbow? A rainbow! That's right, a beautiful rainbow. Shoo are all weatherword superstars. You learned so much today with Pip the Chick. Spring weather really is full of exciting surprises. You never know when you might see a grey sky, feel the rain, need an umbrella, splash in a puddle, or see a gorgeous rainbow. Thank you so much for joining me and Pip on our weather adventure. I had so much fun learning with you. I hope you did too. Remember to keep your eyes open for all the wonderful weather happening around you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep smiling. Bye-bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.